Alright, this is the house. It has some history. It was first built in 1947. This house has been through like a few families, definitely. You can tell. Initially, it was built and owned by a World War II veteran. Not much else known from that. Several generations have been through here, kept it maintained until it got abandoned, actually, 2009. And we still have not figured out why. It's just kind of a thing that nobody let us know. Alright, now, although this property seems kind of dilapidated, in no time, it can be cleaned and maintained for your living pleasure. What's up here? The building support systems are well intact. Just a quick overview up here. But the appliances, not so much. We'd have to get in here and get everything turned back around, and you guys would be set. So, seems to interest you, please go ahead and contact us at propertysealinspections@gmail.com. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. I'll be glad to see you in the next showcase.